What's up, everybody? It's Ash the Gamer. I know this looks a little bit weird because I mean the background to how to do special moves videos are there, and I'm doing this weird thing, but it's because it's not a how to do special moves. It's just an Amiibo unboxing. I can't remember which one. I'll tell you one of the next clips. But I'm just very excited, and let's do it. So, here we have the Amazonian box. Get it? Amazon. And Cloud is very light. No pun intended. And that's probably bad because, I mean, I just said it before I recorded the video. I said what I just said. So, like, me redoing it, it just sounds fake. I'm sorry about that. But, seriously though, it's really light. And then that's what's funny because, like, Cloud. Alright, so we're going to be doing it in a very HD gamer-ish way, I'd say. Because we got the box over here, and we're not using scissors this time. Sword. So, just gonna. I'd like to get some slow-mo, but sadly it won't look really nice, but whatever. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Wait. I got a couple slices on the box. I got one in this top part, right there. I got some dents from smacking it. Some of these jabby holes. Let's just get one of these. Don't want to break the stool either. Well, it made a nice hole in there. So let's get her open. Oh, there was bubble wrap. Oh, there was a lot of bubble wrap. Oh, there's one of these ones. Slow-mo. Wait. Slow-mo. Slow-mo. Sorry, piggies. My guinea pigs are over there. I feel like Nintendo knew I was gonna, or Amazon, whoever packaged this, I guess both, they knew I was gonna use my sword on him, so then they kept all the bubble wrap on him. Because I don't think any of the ones I've got online have been this this protected. Like, this is not just regular bubble wrap, it's heavy. It's like silk, if you will. So we got the homie Cloud. It doesn't really smell like anything. I feel like we should give him a little, just a little bit of damage, you know what I mean? I missed. The flipping. I just hit the stool. Okay, slow-mo time. Oh. I mean, I don't know. These boxes are very good at being... Well, I say that and that was the easiest little cut I've ever done. But this is a very sharp sword, so I did cut myself on it. But no, I wanted to jab it. No, it's not gonna happen. Alright, let's open them up the good old fashioned way. Never mind, I don't have that thumb. I got a little bit of box damage, that's fun. Ugh. I actually can't really remember which number Amiibo unboxing this is. Whew. He's a really light figure. Sorry you couldn't see him. So we got the homie Cloud here. The sword. I've seen some people's in other videos and whatever. The sword of theirs is a little bit bent. Hopefully mine can stay straight. It's quite straight actually. So hopefully it can stay as straight as possible. Now, I haven't done this in a while, like I kind of just mentioned. But we're going to have to do with all of them together. And then I'll also tell you which number this is, even though you're going to see it, obviously. But get a little cloudy view right there. That was a nice little reflection. Now, the order I got them in. Link, Donkey Kong, Diddy Kong, Fox, Bowser, Toon Link, Sonic, Sheik, Mario, Pac-Man, Luigi, Charizard, Captain Falcon, Ganondorf, Olimar, Dr. Mario, Classic Mario, Zero Suit Samus, Mewtwo, Greninja, Falco, Green Yarn Yoshi, Lucas, Lucario, Wolf Link, Pet, me, and me, Little Mac, Roy, my button Bowser, Rob, Ness, Archer Link, and Gold. So thank you guys so much for watching. That was really difficult because I set them up the opposite of the way I normally do. I normally put Link first and then put him around in that direction. This time I started from Cloud and it went reverse. So I went in the same like spiral, I guess. Oh, I didn't. I reversed the whole thing. So that was confusing to look at and stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed this video for the the 27th Amiibo unboxing video and 36th Amiibo total. Because I got rid of Bowser Jr. and Pikachu a while back, but 36 currently. And then probably in the future I'll get other Cloud, Corrin, Bayonetta. I mean, I don't know, but other Cloud. He'll be a later one if I even get him. But thank you for watching. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you next time. Amiibo!